Hello diamonds, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Mary and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video I'll be doing a NYX butter gloss combo video, and they really outdone themselves with the nude shade, the peachy shade, the brown shades for melanin girls. So I'm here to just show you guys how I will be pairing them up and give you guys more of an informed decision, so you know what to choose when you go to the drugstore to purchase one of these lip glosses. For shade reference, I'm a MAC Studio Fix foundation in NC45 and I'm a Huda Beauty foundation in cinnamon, so I'm more of a medium dark skin tone. These lip glosses are brown skin girl friendly as well. And yeah, without no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, so I'll be starting off with the first lip gloss on my haul, which is the NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss in Creme Brûlée. I've heard so much about this. It's more of a peachy nude shade. I'm looking forward to trying it. So I'll be lining my lip now with the MAC Cork lip pencil. So this is what this looks like. To my surprise, it actually just blends into my lips and blends into the lip liner. I'm not mad at this at all, guys. Let me zoom you guys in. This is what it looks like. This is like the go-to nude, like for a brown skin girl. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Like, very sultry. I love it. Consistency of the lip gloss is very thick. I love it. You can't go wrong with this combination. So this is the MAC Cork lip liner and the NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss in Creme Brûlée. Absolutely stunning. Alright guys, so the next lip combo, I'll be trying the NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss in Angel Food Cake. This is what it looks like. It's more of a plum shade. So I will just be lining my lip now with the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. So this is what this looks like in Chestnut, and I'll be lining my lip with that. So I'll be topping that up with Angel Food Cake. Oh my god, I'm loving this. Like, this nude, this lip gloss is giving me life. Oh god, this is just beautiful. By the way guys, this is Angel Food Cake. I've heard so much about this lip gloss and I couldn't wait to try it. Like, can you see, like, let me just zoom you guys in. A date night nude, a going out kind of nude. Do you get? Like, it even just complements my eyeshadow. Like, guys, look at this. It's beautiful. Like, I'm not even mad at this lip combo at all. It goes well with the lip liner. It's just amazing. Like, guys, take a look at this. I love it. So let's move over to lip combo number 3. So yeah guys, the next lip combo I'll be trying will be the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. So it's like a light peach nude kind of shade, and if you watch my previous lip gloss affordable lip gloss combo, which I'll be linking up here or up here, one of the two, you'll see I featured this lip gloss. Is one of my favorites. Since I'm doing a NYX Butter Gloss haul, I might as well add this to it as well. So I'll be lining my lip now with the MAC lip liner in Cork. And I'll be applying Fortune Cookie all over it. This is beautiful. Like, I already know how it's gonna turn out, guys. So this is Fortune Cookie and MAC lip liner in Cork. I'm speechless. I'm speechless for these lip glosses. Like, they are the bomb, period. Like, okay, let me zoom you guys in so you can see how this looks up close and personal. Alright guys, so this is what this looks like. What do you guys think about? So this nude is perfect for a brown skin girl, dark skin girl. I don't even care. This is the perfect nude. Let's jump over to the lip combo number 4. So yeah guys, the next NYX gloss I'll be trying out will be the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Manderline. So this is what it looks like. I'll be lining my lip first with the MAC lip pencil in Chestnut. I feel Chestnut is the favorite lip pencil for every dark skin girl, really. So this is what Manderline looks like. Absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. If you're working, this is a nude you can throw on your lip. You can't go wrong, and it's brown skin girl friendly. Hey, it's popping. Let's move on to the 5th and the final lip combo. So yeah, hey guys, so this brings me to the last and the final lip gloss combo. I'll be trying out the last one, which is Praline. Praline is another, is one of my favorite. Guys, before buying these things, I did my research. I didn't just go online to pick. I did my research. I chose well. I got you. Okay, so the last one would be the Praline. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but anywho's. So I'll be lining my lip now as usual with the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. And I'll be topping that up with the Praline. Just take a second to appreciate this lip. What? Like guys, this lip glosses are amazing. Like I can't fault one single one. I chose well. Guys, if you're looking for the plug, NYX lip gloss, butter gloss are the plug. Don't even bother. Don't bother. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Brown skin girls, dark girls, if you are to choose one lip gloss from the drugstore, go for Praline. End of story. Go for Praline. Honestly, I'm here for this. You can't tell me nothing. If you want that nude brown, that nudish brown shade, it's giving me like a chocolate vibes. That's all I can say. Like I love every single one I chose. Each of these lip glosses retail for £5.50. I ordered mine from the Look Fantastic website. You can also get it from, I think Beauty Bay sells it, or you can get them from Boots or Superdrug. Not really sure, but you can find them in a drugstore or you can get them online, and they retail for £5.50. I'm not mad at these selections at all. They suit me so perfectly. The glosses are very glossy, so I don't see myself trying to top it up with an extra gloss. If you watched my previous videos, I did a lot of Makeup Revolution lip glosses, and I found that I had to top it up with another gloss. So these are really rich. They are really rich glossy gloss, if you know what I mean. They're very buttery, very smooth on the lip. I can't complain at all. So yeah guys, this brings me to the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Let me know which one was your favorite. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one you'll be getting. Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Family is growing bigger and bigger. You know, subscribe and also give me a like. Engage with this video, because that will only help YouTube to push my content more to a wider range of audience. So yes, help me grow. Let this family grow. We're buzzing right here. All right, diamonds, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.